What is going on, guys? It's Bonfire Fishing here. You're gonna be seeing if I catch some bass today. For about 30 minutes before I started recording, I was throwing around a minnow. You know, I was able to catch a little 5-inch crappie and a little 4-inch bluegill before starting to record. Well, it's like I'm not completely skunked, but I got the red rattle trap on. I'm gonna give this thing a shot, hopefully get a bass on it. There we go, I got him. Are you kidding me? Is this a brush? What? What in a brush pile has been sitting here this whole time without my acknowledgement? Why does this thing keep going out more? Is this a... Oh, it doesn't look like there's a fish on there. Why is it moving? I'm lifting it up. Guess I'm not lifting it up. Oh, there we go. I'm lifting it a little bit. Oh, it's on fishing line.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Try to drag it up just a little bit more. Whoa. I really thought I had a giant fish there when I snagged onto this. Let's go. I don't know, they might just be out deep.
Yeah.
A little bit of cold weather there. Coming through. Alright, you guys. So I was reeling it in. It's coming in and about right around in here. Right around this grass. I had one just smack it. I don't know how big it was, but it like literally just smacked the thing. It felt pretty good though. I got him. Oh, guys, I swear, man. All I'm getting is limbs. Oh, the bass just jumped out of the water. I looked and this thing was pretty big. Go check it out. It's about the same size as my father, but off the point of the grass. Alright, talk to you guys when I get there. Are you good? I'm over here now. Where that bass jumped. rip the rail trap on through and see if maybe he's hungry and he wants to eat this. I don't know if he is or not, but I hope so. Nope, I guess he wasn't hungry. Could have been a crappie. The thing was small, but it looked like a bass. Dang, it's getting cold. I'm gonna have to put on the windbreaker / rain jacket. Cast it right next to this brush pile. Work it right around in there. And nasty. Oh, I found the rush pile. Oh crap, that's gonna snap my line. I might lose my rattle trap right here. Oh, it's like right on the top branch. What the crap? Now look at that. I don't know. I'll talk to you guys later after I figure this out. So I actually snapped that. Oh, and I have my rain jacket on. So I put on a little blue jig with a half of a Cinco on the back as a trailer. I've never done this before, but I want to try it. I haven't really seen, I don't think I ever seen anyone do this before. So this is just like my little idea personally for myself. I bet there's a bunch of people that have done this. This is my first time seeing it done. And if this thing doesn't work, I always got crawls in my pocket that I could put on real quick for a trailer instead. But I'm just gonna try something different. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. I'm gonna take this thing off. I'm gonna switch it. So the trailer I actually decided to choose, this thing's actually pretty big, bigger than I thought. But I hope it works. The big trailer, small little blue jig stuff. I really do hope this works. I'm not for sure if this will or not. Nah, when I had to cut it, I used my mouth. Now that, some pretty nasty stuff. Oh, he's got a little cast net. Oh, so they're gonna probably catch a bunch of bluegill and feed them to their pond. Or feed them to their fish in the pond. I bet that's what's going on. Yep, there he goes. The cast net straight on out. Work it back in, get a bunch of bluegill, put them into the bucket, and I'll probably be gone right after that because they got down there really quick. Or he could be just catching fish for dinner. But he's got some in there. See them flapping. See, I wonder if there's to get like a really nice bass from that. and if they would release it, because that's all I care about. I'm like, if they want to keep like 100 bluegill, let them keep 100 bluegill, but as long as they release those bass. The bass are what I care about. I'm actually going to take off these arms right here on the sides. Make it downsize a little bit with 2 little flaps. I feel like that might trigger a bass or something. I hope the jig presentation ain't too big, because I'm not getting no bites. Alrighty, so every time I come out here with no GoPro on, I'm over here like catching bass, like big ones. But now that I have this GoPro, I can't catch bass with crap. So it's like, I don't know what it is, but I think it's because I have this GoPro on that I'm not able to catch bass right now out of this lake. I just don't know, it's just weird. Oh, I think I might have hit a hit. Yeah, I don't know what's up with these bass here these last few days. I don't think they're on beds already, and if they are, they're like out there on their beds. They're not like up close to the bank. So it's like, I don't know if it's this cold weather that just popped on through real quick. And the bass are like, we're gonna go out there pretty deep. We're not liking this weather. It'll come back once it's done. It's like, even this weekend it's supposed to be not too warm. Oh, there we go, I got him. Barely hooked. I guess he is hooked pretty good. Woo, he's a little 1 pounder, 1.5. Yeah, he's definitely 1.5. Look at this. Look at that. That came right on out. That just came right on out. You guys just witnessed that. Came right on out. Got my GoPro on, right? Yeah, I do. Look at that little chunk. Little 1 pounder. Yeah, like right up here on the bank. It looks like he's been hooked before. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little hole in his mouth right there. Looks like he's been hooked. Looks like a little male. Doesn't have a belly on him. That looks full of eggs. I'm gonna release this dude. You got my picture? Oh, I found for a good release. Ow, dude, you hurt. He's released. We're good. You're good. So I guess that presentation wasn't too big, after all. He's still cast netting it out there. Oh crap! I got hung up now. You gotta be kidding me. I just got hung up out there. Why is it right there? Why is it so close? Just a second ago it wasn't that close. This thing was farther out there last time. I mean, I don't want to lose a jig now on one little bush. I think I'm going to be losing a jig. I just lost a freaking jig. I'm done, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed all this, please drop a like and subscribe. Now, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.